The theme of this year's summit, working towards the realization of the Big Four, is therefore a stage for strengthening of the partnership between the national and county governments in the noble task of building our nation. It is our shared desire to ensure our people can afford to have good quality, can afford access to nutritious meals, decent settlement, access to affordable and quality health care, as well as to secure productive and gainful employment. The revitalization of our manufacturing sector, one of our 4 pillars, will greatly contribute to creating employment opportunities for our people at the local level. The exploration of oil, mineral and gas expansion of fish and agro-processing facilities, as well as advancements in our leather and textile industries. These are just some of the economic sectors we intend to focus going forward. And indeed, I'm pleased for the few minutes that I have had with some of you to hear from Governor Ngilu about the progress some of the counties have made in terms of food sufficiency and how we can indeed work together to ensure that those farmers are able to make respectable income from the efforts of their sweat.